loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, it's just this ho. Hope you're having a fabulous weekend. I'm coming to you with, girl, a haul and a mother effing collab. That's right, my girl Tanya of Bits and Bags has agreed to do this Coach haul with me. She has a Coach haul. I have a Coach outlet haul. I believe all of her stuff is from the outlet too. So it worked out perfectly. I'm so happy to be back with her. Tanya is the real deal. As I've said, I love her. One big reason that I love her so much is that she always laughs at my jokes. And I think we have a similar kind of comedic nature or sense of comedy together. We share that, you know. She thinks I'm funny. I think she's funny. And she does have some zingers. I love her little one-liners and zingers. Yes, go check out Tanya at Bits and Bags. I will link her channel and her video that we are collabing on down below. Tanya is as real can be. You won't find anyone else that tells you like it is like Tanya, and I love that about her. I've said it before, I'll say it again. So happy that we are collabing. So, I bought some things in the last, month or so. They've had, those same text messages and emails. Get on there for 15 minutes. We'll give you 20% off, that whole thing. And of course I'm like, well, yes, yes. So I bought a few things here or there. 3 of these bags that I bought are the exact same bag, just different patterns or prints. But I fell in love with these. But first, the first thing that I bought from the Coach outlet is, and I haven't opened any, well, I opened one thing, but I really didn't look at it too hard. But, so these are, some of them are true unboxing, girl. What? So close to Christmas? Yes. So this little thing, as you know, I love this print. I sort of already have a Louis Vuitton bag that looks like this. So I thought, what better? It's kind of like a walk. And I really think maybe, is this the men's line? I'm not sure. But I just thought this checkerboard kind of Vans type print with the Coach spelled out on it was really cute. So I saw this and they had another piece and then it went on sale and I didn't grab it. Or maybe it was if you spent over a certain amount, you got it free, and I screwed the pooch on that, guys. I did not, I don't know. I didn't do it, and I regret not doing it. Even that piece I wanted to buy, and then I went back and she was gone. Some things on Coach you think are going to sell out on the outlet. You think, oh yeah, that's going to be gone. I got to get it. And then, 3 weeks later, they're still like, hey, I remember you clicked on this. You liked it, right? Can you buy it? So, yeah, that old, as Dale would say, that old chestnut. I love that. Oh, Dale, you crack me up, girl. But it's got kind of a thicker nylon strap to it, which I do like, and it's trimmed in a brown leather. So that's kind of cute, and hopefully, because your girl needs some room and some inches. Yeah, I said it. I don't even need to go anywhere else with that. Y'all already know. Every girl needs that. Okay, so, well, a lot of girls. I won't say every girl. But some girls and some guys. So yes, it does actually grow several inches. So yes, I like that. I love that. Wow, it's kind of, did I do this the wrong way? Okay, yeah. So I'm going to need it about right here. Oh yeah, it's almost a little too, look, she comes way down here. Can you see her? She comes way down here. And I like that on my hip bone. Well, what used to be a hip bone, what now is just a bunch of donuts and muffins and stuff. But I like this. Okay. See, it's kind of like that a little bit. I kind of get that vibe from it. So I was thinking, we're going there. Okay, yeah, it is. It's just a wallet on chain, really. A zip-up wallet. It's got some card holders here. Pretty big pocket there, the Coach patch over here. So yeah, I can see myself crossbodying this all the time. So that was a good deal. I don't remember. I would link this one, but she is long time gone, girl. She's very gone. And I really think it was part of the men's thing at first. I want to say that, but I'm not 100. But yes, so that is the first thing I wanted to show you in my Coach haul. Or I should say Coach outlet haul, but does it matter? This is the bag of the day. I don't know why I put her back here, but yeah, she's filled with all my stuff. So it's rainy here. And y'all know I was in Speedy 20. Rain? No, ma'am. Not today, a devil. I can't. I won't. She will not. She won't. She's not going to do that. She's never going to walk around singing in the rain with that bag. So yeah, I had to switch out into an all-weather bag. And I kind of like this bag that it is all-weather. You know, I can carry it rain or shine. Okay. So, also from the outlet, yeah, this is the one that I looked at, as you can see, because it's all crumpled up in the bag now. Because, you know, when we get stuff in, if we hear noise downstairs, it might be the husband. So we kind of have to... I didn't buy nothing. What are you talking about? What? So, that is exactly what happened to this purchase. I was looking at it, almost got busted, and here we are. But it was a Coach. Now, I think this came from, I really want to say that this came from Coach, and then they just started selling them on the outlet. I got this one pretty big because some of their t-shirts to me run a little bit small, but I kind of keep forgetting that I've lost a little bit of weight, and so, I don't know, maybe this, I think this will work though. Yeah, I think this will be perfect. So I do love that. I love the blue and the green. It's got a little touch of yellow in there. A little bit of like rainbow feel to it. And y'all know I love that. I'm all the way here for that. Yes, girl, yes! I'm very excited when I unbox. Okay. So as you know, I'm always into earrings. I have so many earrings at this point, and I just want to keep on adding them too. Not, you know, not special. I don't have really expensive ones or diamonds or anything like that. But this was cute. It's the Coach little horse and then the carriage. And I've been looking at this. They've had this for what, 2 or 3 years now. And every time I go to buy it, I'm like, nah, I don't really need those. But then this time I was like, yeah, 20 bucks. Yep. All day long. Got a special deal on it. It's got little rhinestone studs or... what do they call them? What does Winnie call these? Diamantes? We call them just rhinestones or diamonique or cubic zirconiums. Is that zirconia? I think zirconium is a whole different thing. Yeah. But these were totally cute and right at $20, so clearanced out. And I was like, yeah, she's going to be wearing these. I just like them. I might put them in my second holes. I won't do it, girl. Even though I want to so bad. Okay. So these are, so I only have, wow, 5, 6 different things for you today. And I am just running through like a dose of salt. This came in the little Coach bag. Oh, yes. All right. It is this mini... And y'all know, if you've seen this, you know, Winnie B, she's got to have this because it's so tiny and cute. But look, and it's rainbow. So it's got the Coach signature C's. It's trimmed in leather. But wait, guys, the little strap. The little strap on her. She is red on the back, which I thought was very, very cute. Like an orangey red. And I love that, like a brick color maybe. And you thought they would have continued that inside, but no, they didn't. And that's okay, but look how tiny this is. I think they call this, the outlet calls this the Coach Mini Town bucket, okay, bag. I think that Coach regular, just the store, the boutique Coach has these in like solid colors and stuff, and they call that the Mini City bucket, I think. But anyhow, I just thought these were adorable, and I think they got down clearance to like 78 bucks when I found them. So yes, all day long. Okay, so I got that one. I loved it so much. And after it came, I was like, yeah, sold. Look at the bottom. So cute, that brown leather. Okay. So those just had me at hello. So of course I went back on when they sent me another text that, hey, you can get another 20% or something, whatever it was, using this code. I said, yep, go on and give it to me. I won't bother you with all the details about these because they're basically the same bag. So it's the dark brown with the signature C's, and it's got little tiny blue and peachy colored flowers. Look at this thing. Oh man, I didn't give it. Let's give it the autumn spin. Yes. I don't think I did that on my other one. But girl, okay. And the bottom is, bam! She's brown. She's chocolatey brown. I love. So stinking cute. And inside is like a thicker canvas. And it is chocolatey brown. And this one's trimmed in gold hardware, which that one was too. But I just thought these were so cute. So I don't know if I'll gift or keep, but I'll keep one of these at least, whichever one I love the best. They were such a good deal. Such a great deal. And we ended up going to the outlet after I bought these and looking at them, and I think they had them for like 90. So I was thinking, no way. I got a good deal. But I mean, there could have been some other clearance. I think they were like 70% off, and then, you know, like Dale says, that old chestnut, 70 plus 20. Dale, thank you for saying that, because that's all I can say now. Okay. Girl, let's take her out of her little thingy. And this one was cute to me because it was blue, that color blue that I love, love, love. Oh yeah, and it's trimmed in navy and silver hardware on this one. So how freaking cute. And as of a week ago, at the actual outlet, they still had these. I haven't checked the actual online outlet, but I'll link anything that they still have in any of the stuff that I bought. I don't know, because I've been collecting this for like over a month, so I hope. But look how cute. This one's got navy on the bottom, and it is inside. I want to keep all these. This one is actually, wait, are they all? They might all be like leathery on the inside, and then this little divider that they have, they snap closed magnetically on each side, right? But if you want to open them up, yeah, the middle section is like a scratchy, dark, heavy canvas. And then on each side, it's like the Saffiano leather, the bumpy leather feel. So yeah, this one was cute. Oh, I want to keep them all though. What a conundrum. They're so adorable, right? Tiny. I love you, tiny bags. I am going to do a tiny bag revised. Somebody asked for this, a revised tiny bag video. I am going to do that for you because she needs to stop buying and start just doing some fun videos. That's on the list. So there you go. That was my Coach outlet haul. I hope you will go over to Tanya of Bits and Bags and watch her Coach haul. I can't wait to see what she got. Ooh, yes. So thank you so much for watching, and it's almost Christmas time. I don't really know. I think I will. Oh, I bought some more stuff from Dior. Not like big purchases, but like lotion and just little stuff. I think the whole order was like $120. I had like a promo code that I got from, let's see, Jennifer Loves. She always has some good stuff that she shows, and she always has some good promo codes and stuff. So I actually went over there, and I think if you spend $100, you got a free cosmetic case or something. Anyway, we will definitely go over that next. That is coming up hopefully Wednesday. We will do that on Wednesday. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. And remember, if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye! Guys, I just want to say on this day, when I am filming this video, this very video, today is my wedding anniversary. 28 years, girl. What? Can I get an amen? Yes. Almost 30 that we've actually been together since our first date. So what? Yeah, girl, almost 30 years I've suffered from SD. You guys know what SD is, right? Same dizzle. Same dizzle. That's right. I don't mind though. It's better than strange dizzle. Girl, seriously though, if I can be serious for 1 minute, Bill, I love you. I cannot imagine at this point letting someone else see me naked. No, never. You know how it is when you meet someone and then you get to know them and you kind of have to show them all of you, right? And I know you guys thought I was going to say I can't imagine anybody else I'd rather spend my life with. That's true, that's true. But seriously, letting someone else see me naked is a big one. Yeah. Thank you, babe, for staying with me for that one thing. Seriously though, my hair, she needs to stay puffed. Puff up, biatch.